Hello everyone, I am Lisa. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I do a lot of skincare, hair care and diet and lifestyle videos. If you seem to be interested, please do consider subscribing to me. I need all the support I can get. So today I have some hair care products from Mother Sparsh to share with you guys. I have been using these products for around 15 days now, so I am ready to share my experience of using this product. If you don't know about Mother Sparsh, it is actually a premium brand that carries a lot of products for babies, new mothers and women. They carry a lot of essential products and they have a lot of skincare and hair care products. So I have got a hair care kit in here that comes in our denim bag, and there are 4 products in here. It was sent to me by Mother Sparsh. This one is retailing for around 2172 rupees, but they have a lot of offers and discounts going on their website all the time, so do check them out. So I will start from step 1 in my hair care routine. Of course, it is oiling my hair, and I have a hair oil from Mother Sparsh. It is 30 herbs hair oil. This oil has 30 Ayurvedic herbs. In the ingredient list, it has so many essential herbs like Vringraj, Brahmi, Japapushp, Shikakai and many more. This oil has a light yellow color and has a very pleasant floral aroma to it. I always take oil in a small bowl to apply it to my hair. I start at the roots of my hair first. I massage my scalp with the oil with my fingers, making small circular motions. Take your time while massaging oil to your hair because it is so essential for our hair health. It improves blood circulation and moisturizes the scalp. If you have extremely dry scalp like me, then oil your hair night before washing it. If you have oily scalp, then use the oil just 30 to 40 minutes before washing. Do not go out after oiling your hair, as all the dust and pollution can stick to our hair. If you want, you can wrap a warm towel around your hair after oiling. It's a very lightweight oil, does not feel sticky at all, very easy to use and feels so good. Now the step 2 in my hair care routine is Dashmul hair lip. It is basically a hair mask that is for intense hair treatment and promotes healthy scalp and hair. This has so many active ingredients, so many Ayurvedic active ingredients in here, and this is retailing for 599 rupees. This is such a nice hair mask. This Dasmul hair lip is very helpful for dandruff, itchy scalp, hair fall and dullness. There are so many active ingredients in here like methi, triphala, sekakai, brahmi and many more. It has dasmula that nourishes and treats our hair and scalp. It has a powder formula that has a very dark green color. It looks like henna powder if you have ever used. It smells like any typical Ayurvedic product. I take 2 tablespoons of this powder and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water to make a paste, although you can use amla juice for added benefits. I start applying directly from my roots, working my way towards the length and ends of my hair. I am applying with my hands. You can use a hair coloring brush to apply as well. It does not stain my hand or does not even color my hair. It's very easy to apply and easy to wash off as well. I leave it on for around 40 minutes and then wash off with normal water. Now next we have a hair cleanser or a shampoo. There is no sulfate in here. There is no like harsh chemicals or alcohol or anything like that, no paraben. They have perfume and some preservative, but it is ranking so low in the ingredient list. This Jabapushpa hair cleanser is a very gentle Ayurvedic shampoo. It is a 200 ml bottle retailing for 475 rupees. The key ingredients in here are Brahmi, Bhringraj, Jabapushp, Shikakai, Methi and many more. This cleanser is very gentle on the hair and does not strip our hair and scalp of all the natural essential oil. It does not dry our hair and helps reduce hair fall. It has a kind of liquidy consistency and a dark mustard color. It has a very particular Ayurvedic smell to it that needs to be get used to. You can use it just as any shampoo. Next, we have a hair conditioner. I use this conditioner after washing my hair with the cleanser. I use it to the length and towards the end of my hair. I keep it on for 3 to 4 minutes and wash it off with normal water. This conditioner helps smoothen my hair very efficiently. It has all the Ayurvedic ingredients in it. This conditioner has an off-white color to it and has a very creamy consistency. So these two products, the hair oil and the small hair lip, these two products are my favorite because hair oil has really helped me reducing my hair fall efficiently. Really, I love this hair oil, and this mask is so good for my scalp. I really feel that this is making my scalp very healthy. So these two products are really my favorite. I love these two products. Very difficult to find a good shampoo and conditioner now with good ingredients in it, sulfate free first of all. So this shampoo and this conditioner are really good if you want to try something sulfate free, because really sulfate is very harmful for our hair and it can make our hair very dry and cause hair fall. So these two products really help with reducing my hair fall. It's a really good quality shampoo and conditioner. Give this two a try. I think you will definitely love this too. I will be putting all the details about this hair care product and Mother Sparsh, all the details in my description box. Check those out, and in their official website, Mother Sparsh official website, you can get a lot of deals and offers going on all the time. You can get those and get huge discounts. I hope you liked today's video. Give me a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to me. I will come back soon with something new next week. Until then, take care. Bye.